through the briars out of course. That does not sound good at all. What's up, guys? Out on another solo mission today. Couldn't take it anymore. It's been like a couple months since I've been on the bike, so couldn't take it anymore. Had to get out on the bike today. Had a good opportunity. Been raining like crazy every afternoon, so it could be muddy and soupy. That's all right. Appreciate you guys tuning in. My name's Kevin. I do dirt bike videos, mountain bike videos, and adventure bike videos. Today I'm on my 250 XCW. It is fantastic, and let's just get into it. See you in a second. This thing, they must have got hammered with some rain. It is running out. Jesus. Shoot. This big old spider that I parked right underneath, not even knowing it. Later, dude. I was just up in this area a couple months ago, and man, what a difference. It was still looking like kind of like early spring up here last time I was here, but not anymore. Full-blown shit. Full-blown summertime now. I like riding in a rainforest. A lot of down trees, man. Slick. Can't get up. Oh my lordy. You rat. I knew it was gonna happen. Oh my God. It's hard with these logs. Sideways and slick. Shoo-wee. Let's see if we can make it down this mess. Oh yeah. Oh my God, right onto that log there. Oh, that breeze feels so good. That was a little bit sticky and humid and gnarly up there. Slick logs. Hey, if you guys enjoy this type of content, I'd love you if you'd give me a like and a comment. Not really love you, but you'd be alright in my books. Trying to grow my channel and trying to get some entertaining content out on a frequent basis, and hope you guys are enjoying it. So give me a like and a comment if you enjoy it. Appreciate it. Got this little bag the other day. I had too much stuff in my pack. This little tool pack and just a couple other things. It's just too much. Got this little pack from Trailbound handlebar bag. Fit a few things in, tools and spark plug and a couple snacks or whatever. Get the weight off your body, put it on your bike. Holy crap, you're just gonna get muddy. On a day like today, there ain't no getting around it. Oh, dang, my bike is making some noises. That does not sound good at all. Oh. Well. Look at this line through the briars out, of course. Oh shit. Get off me. I like the looks of it right here the best, but of course that's where the most damn briars are. Hey! Just don't want them up around my leg. Oh shit. Yeah. Love doing stuff like that. Arms are pumping up like a maniac. I'll tell you guys, if y'all want to get a bike, if y'all want to do this type of riding, trail riding, and some minor enduro, even hard enduro, I mean, get you a freaking 250 or 300 XCW, even probably 150, 200. Oh man, you won't regret it. It's the best thing ever. Stealth mode. Oh, Lordy. Been a while since I've done that climb. Forgot how much you gotta give it. Day. Oh man. Whew, that's fun. Look at this holler, right in the middle of this holler. Man, I love being out in the middle of nowhere like this. It's the best feeling ever. Just total freedom. It's wild looking around here. Yeah, watch it, bird. Oh my God! Fell down my damn boot! Damn it, boy! Oh! Oh shit! Oh well. Oh, hellfire! At the end of the trail here, this bike is, I don't know what the deal is. Needing some adjusting done with the warmer, more humid weather, I reckon. Only downside of a carb, I reckon. That and that it leaks gas occasionally. Phew, been an awesome day. Hope to be back to some good group rides here soon. Nothing's really been working out for anybody's schedule lately, and it is what it is. We'll get back to it at some point. It's getting about too hot anyways to do much of anything except for sit by the pool and have a few cold beers. Oh, but run it back up to the truck and maybe do another lap, short lap. Don't know yet. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll check you soon.